Hello everyone! Today in this video, I will be going through 25 expressions used in the workplace. Number 1, to touch base. So this expression is used when we want the person to tell us what has been going on. Basically, it is giving an update to the manager or boss who is working on that task or project. Number 2, to circle back. So this expression is used basically meaning that we will talk about that discussion later on. So first we have to talk about something else, but afterwards we will get back to whatever that discussion was. Number 3, on the same page. This just means that we have a mutual agreement about what we will be doing. So we both agree that this is a good idea, this is how we should start. Number 4, to get the ball rolling. This just means to start, to begin the task, project, meeting, whatever it is that is going on. So number 5, to think outside the box. So we use this expression as a way to think of other ideas, maybe to get a little bit creative or think about how to accomplish something in a different way. This is thinking outside of the box. Number 6, at the end of the day. So this is basically just referring to the final outcome, the conclusion of the task, presentation, meeting, and so on. Number 7, in the loop, or please keep me in the loop. So this just means to keep me informed. Let me know what is happening, what is going on. If there's any kind of issue or problem, you should notify that person right away. Number 8, to take it offline. So this just means that we want to speak about this matter privately. So if you are in a big company meeting and there are many people there, maybe you do not want to bring up this in front of everyone else. Number 9, to raise the bar. This simply means to improve or to get better with the standards of the company or with the profits or whatever else. Number 10, to hit the ground running. This just means to start something with enthusiasm, with energy. So we are excited to start a new project. For example, in a sentence, we could say, okay guys, let's hit the ground running. Number 11, synergy or harmony. So both of these words mean that it's better to work together as a team rather than just doing individual work. Number 12, to put all of your eggs in one basket. We use this when someone relies too much on one single plan or one resource instead of expecting maybe that one plan to fail and having a backup. Number 13, pulling your weight. This just means that everybody on the team has to contribute the same amount of effort as everyone else. Number 14, to get on board. This just means to agree with the plan or strategy that we are using. So sometimes people might disagree within the group whether the plan will work or not. So maybe sometimes some coworker will say, oh, you better get on board. This is what we are doing. Number 15, bandwidth. So this is just the capacity for how much work you can do in one day. Number 16, To go the extra mile. This just means that you try especially hard to succeed in something that is really difficult maybe to achieve. So going the extra mile means you put in a lot of work, a lot of effort, maybe more than other people. Number 17, to break the ice. So this just means to initiate, to start conversation with people in the office so that it's not strange or awkward to be around them. So breaking the ice, we do this often by initiating some kind of small talk. Like, oh, hey, how's it going? Number 18, to put out fires. So this just means that somebody is dealing with all of the problems that we might have on a day-to-day basis. So if you are putting out a fire, just means that you are solving a problem or solving some kind of disagreement between coworkers. Number 19, in the driver's seat. This just means that that person is in control of the situation or of the people there. So number 20, to move the needle. This just means that we've made a large impact or change on someone or something. Number 21, let's table this. This just means we will postpone this discussion until later on, maybe in the week or in the month. Number 22, to keep your eye on the ball. This just means to stay focused on the task at hand, to not get distracted by anything else going on. Number 23, the bottom line. This just means it's the most important point or important conclusion in the meeting or in the project. So for example, your boss could say, at the bottom line, we have been successful in completing this task. Number 24, get your ducks in a row. So this just means that we should get organized before we start something new. Number 25, burning the midnight oil. This just means that we are working later than usual. So sometimes they will work overtime hours or maybe late into the night if they have a really, really important task that they have to. Now you know the top 25 expressions used in the workplace. Next time you go to work, you can try to take some of these or at least one of them and use them in your workplace. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.